Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel for episode number 10 of It's Fall, y'all. And if you're new, I'm so happy that you're here. You're just in time for a series that I'm doing called It's Fall, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and light a candle and get really cozy because guys, I am doing my fall tablescape and I hope you like it. For this year, I went with Rustic Glam. Now, Rustic Glam is basically a fusion of weathered wood and primitive worn decor with shades of white and lots of sparkle. And I really love the tone on tone colors, and I paired those neutral colors with some rustic warm colors for the fall that are basically classic with those copper and golds and yellows and rusts. So I really hope that you guys like this DIY of these pumpkins and other things that I included in my tablescape this year. So I'm going to start with this honeycomb vase from Anthropologie. It's textured stoneware vase that elevates your flora. Oh my goodness. So I used some natural floral this year. I used some maiden grass, which are bunny tails. And for the larger florals, I used some pampas grass that's very on trend, but it's also timeless and it looks great. I made sure I didn't fluff them, but I just went ahead and squeezed them in. Now at the base of that vase, I have a gather sign that I DIY'd, and I did this with Dollar Tree items and it came out great. I did this in a glam DIY, so I can leave that video with other glam items in the description bar below if you're interested in how to make that. But what I have also gathered are some primitive decor pumpkins that I'm in love with. Now I did not record when I DIY'd this, but that really pretty wood bead one is Pinterest inspired. And I wanted to do these pumpkins because I wanted to have them look handmade with that folk art characteristic with muted colors that look simple and casual. I didn't want to have a formal dining, and I wanted to just gather things and make it look like it's home and it's cozy and that it's all been handmade because it just really gives a warm feeling. Now nested up on that is actually, I put those together and they're on a really nice rustic wood round, and that's the centerpiece, and it's just giving it a warm, cozy feel. And I love the way it looks with that raw bark on the edge. And what I did was I placed it all on top of a gold beaded placemat, and I basically did that to just bring everything together with the whole rustic glam theme that I'm going for. Now guys, I also included some real mini pumpkins. I picked up 2 of these white ones just to add in some white tones along with some real pine cones to warm up the table. And I just threw them up there haphazardly because, like I said, I was going for something casual. Now, I do have some candles. The first one is from Anthropologie, and it's in a small tin. It's the Spice Cider candle. It smells awesome. And I put that inside of a Bath & Body Works candle holder with the same gold leaves. Yeah, you see the theme I'm going for. And on the inside of that is that neutral white tone. This candle smells amazing. I also picked up a pumpkin clove candle, and it's in a feathered glass jar with etched metallic lid, and it smells just like fall, you guys, and I got that from Anthropologie also. They have some really great candles in their Capri Blue line. Also, I did this table garland, and I did it with the same wood beads and a pick from the Dollar Tree, and that's how I created that. Table garland is also another way to warm up your table. For my place settings, I have a napkin ring. Now that napkin ring is actually the same bark wood design as the rustic wood round that I use for my centerpiece. And I love the way it looks. It matches perfectly, even though I bought the wood round from Home Goods, and these I bought at Amazon. And my napkins are a DIY, believe it or not. I ordered some rust-colored velvet fabric that I got online, and it came out great. These are some regular clear glass salad plates from the Dollar Tree. I love to pair low and high-end items, and this I just shop my home. This plate is always around being used in my tablescapes. Just a regular neutral tone plate with a little bit of gold foil on the edge. And of course, this is the beautiful placemat, and it is the inspiration for my entire tablescape. It's a beautiful gold embroidered velvet rust colored placemat that I love. I got this from Home Goods. I bought 2 of them. It was 2 in a pack, and as you can see, it ties in all of the other really pretty copper and rust tones. Now these gold tapered flatware I saw in West Elm, but guys, they were so expensive. So I went ahead, looked up the same exact maker and got them online from Amazon. I will leave that information in the description bar below. I love those. And also my table runner, I just happened to be in the Christmas tree shop, and this matched my tones perfectly. The neutral tone on tone with that really pretty rust color, but then it had the nice gold embroidery, and the leaves just brought everything together, and it matches perfect. Sometimes you see things and you just get lucky, and that's what happened when I got this. It says harvest blessings, and guys, if you're well and you still have a job, we are all so blessed this year, are we not? So yeah, so I do have a settee that I always add pillows to. This year I used the same velvet fabric and I made a pillow. And I nestled and tucked that up under a pillow, but you see how gorgeous this fabric is? That 1 yard went so far. And I also paired that with basically a pillow with pumpkins that I got from Home Goods. But the embroidered beads are so gorgeous on this pillow. And once again, it's the neutral tone on tone colors that I was going for. Now I do have some gold candle holders that I forgot to mention. They're gorgeous and they're sleek and simple, and that's why I love them. And I basically paired those with some flameless luminar taper candles that I got, and it has a remote control. I got both of these from Amazon, and if you're interested, I will leave those in the description bar below. They come in 2 sets of 3. I just used 2 of each set for the tablescape today. Now this beauty right here, she is gorgeous, she is fierce, and that is a D-Gallery inspired DIY wall art that I did. I love doing these, and I was going to change up my wall art, but it actually went pretty well and it fit in with the rustic glam theme, so I left it on the wall. I will definitely leave that DIY in the description bar below if you're interested in how I created this on a budget. So guys, I am so ready for a cozy fall evening and entertaining with people that have quarantined, of course. I hope you guys like this video of this tablescape, and that you return for more of my series, It's Fall, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell for notifications, and make sure you hit it for all so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. Guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because you know it really helps out our videos. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching the full video. I'm gonna have a giveaway coming up because I have some exciting news to share with you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.